Are you okay? No. Would you like some food? Oh, okay. Don't worry. I'll get you something. What? Here you go. Thank you. Tina, how could you give her some food? But Mom, she was really hungry and sad. I don't care. These are tough times. So I know that the punishment was technically scenes from Pretty Woman, but I couldn't remember any scenes that would be appropriate to act out with sock puppets. So I did the Hunger Games. And what I thought of the movie, you know what I thought? I thought it was, well, I think I may be the only person who didn't like it. I thought it was horrible. I'm just joking. No, I haven't seen it. Though I don't know if I told you guys this, but I don't usually go to the movie theaters a lot. The last time I went to the movies, I saw Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2 for the second time. So I don't even know if I'm gonna go and watch the Hunger Games this time. Should we go?
Let's read the book first.
No, I don't know. I'm not that excited. I mean, I love the Hunger Games, but every time I see like a new video in my subscription box that's like, oh, Hunger Games parody, Hunger Games song, I'm just kind of like turned off by it, and I don't know. But I really do want to see the movie, and I really like listening to guys' reviews, because they kind of made me more excited for the movie, and it made me remember why I liked the book in the first place. And I was a little anxious not to watch your guys' reviews because of the spoilers, but I mean, I've already read the book. What? What's going on? What? That's a bucket I used to help with my sock puppets. I hope you guys liked them. It made me laugh when I watched it back. So I hope it made you guys laugh even a little bit. They're kind of weird. Yay. So hopefully I'll see the movie one of these days. And that was my punishment for not making a video last week. Melissa, if we see you tomorrow, that means it'll be our 399th video, which would be really, really awesome if we did. But that is okay. If not, then Danielle will see you Saturday. DFTBA. Hi, would you like some food?
Pause.
I'm so hungry. Hi, are you okay?